Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 tricks to make Windows 10 faster for free. My name is Talha and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro fast. Let's get started. For a lot of us, our system does not work faster as we would like it to. So in this video, we'll take a look at 10 tricks to make your Windows work really fast. Well, nothing beats the hardware improvements, but we will show you how you can make improvements in the performance of your computer. Trick number 1. Adjust the performance. In order to adjust the performance, go to Start or press the Windows button and type performance. Then go to the adjust appearance and performance of Windows and then click on adjust for best performance. What it would do that it would remove the fancy animations and it will improve the quality of Windows. The next trick is to use the page file size. If your computer is running out of memory, you can use this feature to improve the performance of your computer. It will try to offload the things from RAM and hard disk and it will improve the performance. So for that, type this PC in the search area and then go to the properties and then click on advanced system settings and then click on the advanced tab and then click on settings. Again, click on advanced tab. In the virtual memory section, click on change and from there uncheck the automatically manage page in file size for all drives and then check the custom size. Here you can give the initial and the maximum size of your choice. Once you have given the size, click on set. After clicking on set, now it is set. And then you hit OK and it would be done. Trick number 3. Turn off auto update. There are a lot of time when systems gets updated without our consent and most of the time we are working on something important and suddenly from nowhere Windows start to get update. It results in loss of data of the process we are working on. For that purpose, we can turn off the Windows update and for that hit Windows plus R button and type services.msc in here. Click on OK or hit on OK. Now go to the bottom and look for Windows Update. Right click on that and go to Properties. Here you will find the option of Startup Type and you can disable it or can set to manual. So from here I will click on Disable or Manual. Let's say if I click on Disable, then I need to click OK and it would be disabled. Trick number 4. Clean storage. There are a lot of files on hard disk which are necessary or they are of no use. They carry the space in hard disk and make the system really slow. We can delete those files to improve the performance of the system. For that, right click on Windows button and then click on Setting button. Now click on System. Here you will find the option of storage. Now turn on the option and it will start deleting the unnecessary files on our system. So here you can see that my option is already turned on. In your case, if that is off, turn it on and it would automatically start to delete the unnecessary files. Trick number 5. Clean disk. The next trick is pretty similar to the last one. Here we will clean our disk. So we have a software which is installed by default in Windows operating system. Using this, we can delete unwanted files on our system and eventually it will improve the performance of the system. Write disk cleanup in the search bar and once you write here the disk cleanup, you will see something like this. From here, select the disk that you want to clean up. So I'll select this one and then I'll click on OK. So once you click on OK, it would collect all the information and then it will show you a new window, something like this. So here you can see that you can click on recycle bin downloads, temporary files, etc. and just check those boxes. So if you click on this button, clean up system files, what would happen that it would delete all those unnecessary files. Trick number 6. Better performance with high power. power. In this trick, we will compromise one thing to achieve better performance of the system. For that purpose, we will right click on our battery icon in the bottom right corner. From there, we will click on power option. So here we will click on create a power plan. A new window will pop up. So check the high performance button. Now your system will perform better than earlier, but now it will consume a little bit more power. So the people who are using the desktop system would potentially have no problem with this feature. But for those people who use Windows on laptops will have to compromise a little on the battery life. Trick number 7. Turn off auto start programs. In this trick, we will see the programs which get started whenever we start our window. For example, when I have started my window, some of the programs will start with that. They also affect the performance of the system. So go to the task manager by hitting Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete button. From there, click on More Details at the bottom left corner of Task Manager window. From here, click on the Startup tab. Here you can see that we have the list. You can select any of the program and turn it off. I will select Microsoft Teams and then I would disable it. So when I have disabled it, you can see that it consumes high power at the startup time, and now when it is disabled, it won't start at the startup time, ultimately improving the performance of our system. Trick number 8. Reduce runtime services. In this trick, we will reduce runtime services. For that purpose, hit the Windows plus R button and now type msconfig. From there, click on services and at bottom left corner, check the checkbox to hide all Microsoft services and then click on OK. This will make sure that we are not deleting the Microsoft services, and it would delete all the unnecessary files except Microsoft services. So let's talk about trick number 9. Reset the Windows. In this trick, we will reset our Windows. What it will do is that it will reset our Windows just like we reset our phone, and as performance of our phone gets better, the same will happen to your Windows. It will give it like a new life to your Windows, but make sure that you have the backup of your data in some external hard drive. Windows also gives an option. So to do this step, click on Windows Sign. From there, click on Settings, and from Settings, click on Update Security. So once you click on Update Security, you will see the option Recovery here. Click on it and then click on Get Started right under the Reset This PC. Here you have two options. You can keep your files or you can remove everything. If you have an external hard drive, you can copy all the files and then remove everything from here. But if you do not have any external hard drive, just click on Keep My Files and then click on OK, and it will start to reset your PC, keeping all your files and data. Once you have reset your system, you will see that it will perform much better than before. Trick number 10. Uninstall unwanted softwares. In this trick, we will uninstall unwanted software or applications from our Windows. There are a lot of time when we have software which are no longer in use, but they reside on our Windows. Due to this, performance of our system gets affected. So for that purpose, we will uninstall those unwanted softwares. We'll type in Control Panel in the search bar, and once we type in Control Panel, from there look for Uninstall a program. Click on any of the program that you want to uninstall. Once you right click on it, you will see options like uninstall. So click on it, and here you have option. It would ask you for the confirmation. If you really want to uninstall, just click yes, and then it would start to uninstall that unwanted software. So once you uninstall all the softwares which are unwanted, your performance of the system is gonna improve dramatically. So after each of the setting that we have done in these 10 tricks, for some of them or for most of them, you might have to restart your computer. So make sure that you do that step. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos to help you advance your IT career.